Oh, aren't they cute together? Scamp. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Good boy.
Oh, she's an obedient boy, isn't he?
Good boy. Do you think of that?
You do.
He opened his mouth for me. What do you think of that? That's your new bone. Is that nice? Hey, good boy. Scout's just knocked the dice over.
What are you going to do with your new bone?
Why do you not know what to do with it? You don't know what to do with your bone? Can you put Scout's ear back on, Paul?
Where is it?
It's just on the table here.
Come here, Scout.
He gets himself in some trouble, that dog.
Keep your ears still, lad. Eh? Can't you keep still just for a minute? Keep still. I did a salmon risotto.
Oh, good boy!
Must have been
Good
about
boy!
4 or 5 days ago. It was
He
all
stood
right.
it on the side.
You'd said I wouldn't have it again.
He stood it on the side.
Has he?
Yes.
What? Scamp has?
Yes.
Where?
What, stood it up?
Yes.
He does stand it up.
Yeah, but this is his new one that we
And
printed.
he stood up all right.
Yeah.
Clever lad.
Thank you.
He's upset because he's only got one ear. Scamp's licking his paws. Oh, has he got your ball? It's yours as well, isn't it?
He's not used to sharing.
Oh, it looks like Scamp's going for the dice.
Mm-hmm.
I love it when they look at each other.
Yeah. Oops, oops, oops. Oh, what a clever boy. Getting away from him is too forward.
Oh, he wants to be your friend.
It was.
Take notice of me. He's just walking off again, isn't he, Scout? Right, he likes looking at himself, doesn't he?
Oh yeah. Yeah, very good.
Now, I knew he was going to complain there because he can't get past. You're in the way, Scout. Move your bottom. Can't get past.
What? What's the matter?
He wants his mummy.
What's the matter?
I want to be up on your lap.
I know that's what he's wanting.